Assalamu alaikum, a student of level 7. I hope you all are safe and healthy at home. This is Ms. Samira Zedi, your computer studies teacher from Falcon House Grammar School Campus 9. And today we will start the new chapter, that is chapter 4, Advanced Features in MS Excel. I will revise the few basics of Microsoft Excel in this video also, which includes rows, columns, cells, cell address, range, and then I will explain you about the formulas. I'm going to revise about basics of Microsoft Excel. So we should start now. Okay, I'm going to tell you about how to start the Microsoft Excel. First, then we can find the Microsoft Office. These are the application software of Microsoft Office. We choose the Microsoft Excel. Okay, now our Microsoft Excel is starting now. This is the spreadsheet. Some of the students have greater versions, so it's look like this. These are all of these are templates, but I'm using the blank workbook. Okay, now it's getting open. So this is the spreadsheet. Spreadsheet consists of rows and columns. These are tabs. This is the home tab, insert tabs, page layout tab, formula tab, data tab, review and view tabs. All of these tabs are consist of a ribbon. This is the ribbon of home tab. Okay, this is the ribbon of the page layout tab, and each ribbon is divided into groups. This is the theme group of page layout tab. This is the page setup group of page layout tab. So that is all of them. Okay, now I'm going to tell you about spreadsheet. It consists of rows and columns. This is columns. Column C, these are rows. It is column A, column B, column C, and so on. It's going move to till column Z, and after the Z column, it's start with A column. Okay, then we can move on with the tell you about rows. These are rows. This is the row 1, row 2, row 3, and so on. Okay, the intersection of rows and the column is called cell. Column are always identified with the letter, and rows are identified with the number. The intersection of row number and the column letter is cell. Okay, cell address is the first column letter and then row number. Okay, and the cell address of this cell is M9. The cell address of this cell is L16. This one is F3. Okay, that is the cell address. Now I am going to tell you about range. Range is a group of cells. This is the range of column. This is the range of different groups of cells. Now I am going to tell you that how do I identify a range. We can identify the range from the first cell address of the first cell, and the last cell. The cell address of the first cell is L7, and the cell address of the last cell is N12. Cell address of the last cell is N12. We can identify the range. The cell address of the first cell, that is L7 colon N12. We always separated the range with the column. So range can be written as L7 to N12. The cell address of the first cell and the last cell. Okay, in this video we can revise about this columns, rows, cell address, and we have also tell you about the range, and this is very necessary for the revision for you. Also tell you about different bars, ribbon, tabs, and formula bar, name box, and sheet tabs. By default we have 3 sheet tabs at a time. Okay, zoom bar, that is also very important to zoom our spreadsheet to look more clear now. Next and most important topic is formula. Using formula. To perform a simple calculation in a worksheet, we make use of formulas. Find the sum of column C. We enter the formula in cell C12 as you can see on the screen, then press enter. We can also calculate with the help of the pre-written function. We can also known as pre-written formulas like sum function, average, maximum and minimum function. I will explain all these functions in my next class. Now I'm going to give you an assignment that you have to do in your exercise book. Now take out your exercise book and make the title page of second quarterly test and also the chapter 4 advanced feature in Excel. Then write the answer to the given question. Your question number 1 is differentiate between workbook and worksheet as I was explained in the video. Also, you have question number 2 is formula and functions are the soul of Excel. You have to explain in your exercise book. I hope you can understand the today's topic and the assignment. If you still have any question, then ask me. Take care of yourself. We will meet you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.